Hello, I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to improve component performance at startup by using the custom container properties. The container properties that you could see here can be added manually in the properties panel's custom tab to improve component loading performance. So the first property when enabled, it uses a more efficient method of loading components. It uses files.new directory streams method instead of file.list files. Setting this property to false reverts to the files.list files method of loading components. Next, the second one, when enabled, the initial loading of components are skipped when a process executes for the first time. Generally, the default value for this property is false. You must have atom management privileges to perform this activity or uh, to add the custom properties. If you have the atom management read access privilege, you cannot perform the task. The container must be online and you must be the owner of the atom molecule or atom cloud to view and edit the properties panel custom tab. Let's get started and see how to add these properties. So firstly, in the integration services, go to manage and atom management. So select the desired atom molecule or atom cloud from the list on the left. Now, under settings and configuration, click properties and under the properties, uh, now you have to go to the container properties. It will take a while, so I've already opened. So under properties, you have to uh, go to the container properties. So custom and container properties. Here we'll add the required properties. Now in the property, add a property. So here you will add the properties that we have seen previously. So the first one is, so the first one is com.boomi.container.enable user directory stream when find components. So in the property value field, enter false. So this is the first property and next again, click on add a property. Now just take the second one. These are case sensitive. So make sure when you're adding these properties, you add the correct names. So the second one is com.boomi.container.skip notification of loaded components when processed out initialized. Here in the property value, enter true. As I mentioned earlier, by default, the value would be false. So now we are entering it as true. So after adding these two properties, just click on save. So upon saving these changes, you're prompted to restart your container. So you're prompted to restart your container. You can click yes to restart now to immediately restart your container, or click no restart later to manually restart your container at a later time. So this is how you can improve component performance uh, at startup by using the custom container properties. Thank you.